What are new construction appraisals and how do they work? If you're buying a new construction home, you may wonder if you still need an appraisal to get a mortgage. There are two types of new construction appraisals that you might come across: as-is appraisals and subject-to appraisals. An as-is appraisal evaluates homes in their current state. This type works if construction is nearly complete or the home needs only minor improvements. The appraiser will assess the property as it stands during the appraisal, noting any repairs or upgrades that still might be needed. A subject-to appraisal is for homes still being built or undergoing significant renovations. In this case, the appraiser values the home based on what it's expected to look like once all construction is complete. This is common if you're buying a house that's just a blueprint or needs major renovations. The appraiser will review the plans, look at the site, and estimate the home's future value. Once the home is completed, your lender may require a certificate of completion to ensure that all the planned work has been done. The appraiser will return to the property to verify that everything matches the plans. Once that's verified, the loan process can move forward. So what are appraisers looking for when evaluating a new construction home? They use a spec sheet, blueprints, and plot plan to estimate the home's future value. This includes checking out the square footage, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the overall layout. They also assess the quality of the finishes, like flooring and countertops, and any unique design features. All these details help the appraiser determine how the home will compare to similar homes in the area once it's completed. If you're thinking about buying a new construction home, it's important to ask your lender about how the appraisal process works and how it could affect your loan. Each situation is unique, so knowing what to expect can make the process a lot smoother. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your home buying journey.